everyone, it's your girl Mystique.
And hey, Red.
And we're here today to do her little quick weave. Okay, so what you gotta do first?
I'm going to be doing a quick weave, so I'm going to be using this 30-second glue.
Here, do it like this. Put your hand like behind it so they can, you know, all that.
And I'm going to be molding my hair, and I'm going to be using this Eco Styling Gel.
Y'all, that is my favorite gel.
And I'm also going to be using a lot of body. And just this comb and this comb. Probably some ponytail holders.
So, you would have to
and some hair clips.
You have to give them a little step by step.
The first thing I'm going to be doing is parting my hair of where, because I'm getting a bob of where I want my leave out to be at.
Let's see. You want me to help you?
I didn't even look about what bob that I want yet.
The side bob. She gonna do a side bob.
There are different kinds. If I want to follow on this side, or do it on this side.
I think that side.
This side?
First and foremost, happy 4th of July.
Yes, happy 4th of July. Go on.
Put down in the comments what y'all did. We ain't about no fireworks. We too tired. I'm too tired.
I wanted fireworks.
Y'all, I have no idea what's going on right now. She the expert. You see my head. And this is us without makeup.
Yeah, we're natural. We're very, very natural right now.
This is us without makeup. Still didn't get my eyebrows done from the last video. So what she doing is she's doing her little, you know, what's your side part?
Yeah.
Her side part, and then she's gonna leave out some little baby hairs so she can, you know, boom. Look at them baby hairs for days. You would have thought this was a wig. She'll leave out her baby hairs, and I don't know what she got to do after that.
I'm finna start molding my hair down.
She's gonna start molding her hair down. What you use, mousse? The mousse first?
Yeah.
Okay, quick little story time. She's like, oh, sister, can you trim my, you know, split ends or whatever? I'm like, okay, cool. So I'm trying to cut her split ends. I'm like, bro, your hair is uneven. Like, this is not healthy. Would you rather have healthy hair, or would you rather have long hair? I'd rather have long hair. Okay, I'm not gonna cut it. She don't want to blossom like me. She don't want to be great like me. Like this. Tell her, put down in the comments, do the big chop.
Okay, so I'm finna start.
So now she gonna mold down her hair with the Eco Styling Gel, olive oil. Let me do it.
Yeah.
Cause it already got wet. I already got glue on it. So this her little side part thing that she got going on. Look how small her head is. Look at mine. Look how big mine is compared to hers.
I was gonna use some of this. I'm actually only gonna use like
a little bit.
Only use 2 pumps.
Right here.
2 pumps.
Put the glue on there.
Perfectionist. Then got her edges and stuff smooth together. We about to do the back part. cute. She think she cute or whatever. So yep, easy peasy. Now turn.